What if you could turn your book into an Amazon KDP bestseller with just a few simple strategies? Stick around because I'm about to show you how 3 ordinary authors did just that and how you can do that too. Let's dive right in. To achieve KDP success, there are 5 key strategies. 1. Market research and optimization. 2. Reader engagement through social media. 3. Authenticity and transparency. 4. Professional book formatting and design. 5. Utilizing KDP Select and promotions. Now let's see how these strategies were used by 3 successful authors. Meet Mark Dawson, a thriller novelist who turned rejection into success with a simple idea and a lot of determination. Mark faced numerous rejections from traditional publishers but didn't give up. He turned to Amazon KDP, meticulously studied the market, optimized his book descriptions and engaged with his readers through social media. His persistence paid off and his series, John Milton, became a bestseller within months. Mark's story teaches us the importance of market research and reader engagement. By understanding his audience and using social media effectively, he turned rejections into success. Mark's journey shows that with the right approach, even the biggest obstacles can be overcome. Meet Rachel Abbott, a mystery writer who struggled with self-doubt and imposter syndrome. Rachel decided to document her writing process on her blog, sharing her challenges and breakthroughs. This transparency resonated with her audience, who eagerly awaited her book's release. Only the Innocent. Not only did that book receive rave reviews, but also built a loyal fan base that propelled her success on KDP. Rachel's experience highlights the power of authenticity and transparency. By sharing her journey, she connected deeply with her readers, turning them into dedicated fans. Rachel's success is a testament to the impact of being genuine with your audience. Meet Steve Scott, a non-fiction author who faced the daunting task of marketing his work. Steve leveraged the power of storytelling in his marketing strategy, creating engaging videos and interactive content for his readers. His book, Habit Stacking, became a hit and he now enjoys a thriving career as a self-published author. Steve's innovative marketing approach shows how important it is to think outside the box. By creating interactive and engaging content, he captured the interest of his target audience. Steve's story underscores the need for creativity in marketing. These real-life examples show that success on Amazon KDP is within reach. By learning from Mark, Rachel, and Steve, you can find practical insights and motivation to fuel your own self-publishing journey. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, and your story could be the next one to inspire others. To help you achieve similar success, I've developed an in-depth course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. This course covers unspoken yet effective strategies that are easy to implement. It's designed to help you reach the kind of success you've just seen in these stories. Click the link in the description. So whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your current sales, this course is your pathway to unlocking your KDP potential. Remember, the difference between a dream and reality is often just a few steps in the right direction. Take that step today and let's make your publishing dreams come true. Until next time.